It was quite interesting actually. So much going on.
How you can use
sustainability.
Bootweek. So at the Technical University of Delft, you can specialize in sustainable development next to your masters. That actually means that you will learn to integrate sustainable development into your thesis subject. A part of this certification is to join this boat for 1 week with 24 different students from other faculties of Delft. For example, from architecture, industrial design, mechanical engineering. During this boat week you'll get workshops, lectures, discussions, role-playing games and movies to really get into the subject. Everything you can think of is dealt with and you're actually going to deal with it, analyze the problems, solve the problems in a team. So it's really intense. It's interdisciplinary and it's interactive also. But you'll be going around, walking through the boat and also going to companies to really see what is happening in the world. So you really get to learn to deal with the real problems. You see what it's about and you'll see that it's complex. But all together with all the other disciplines you can really solve them.
It's 1 week, yeah, it's 5 days actually. Yeah, the nice thing is that it's like a tight organized program. You're occupied with everything from like 8 in the morning to 11 or 12 in the evening. Yeah. Especially from those workshops you learn a lot because you're just thinking about how you can use the stuff from the lectures, the information from the lectures for your ideas, how you can apply it.
We share information with each other. What do you think about sustainable development? And our ideas make a really great concept, and then we share and we learn.
Yeah, we've had a little bit of a change in schedule, but we've seen a lot as well too, and we've learned a lot. I don't like sleeping late and waking up early though, that's not fun. I like seeing Holland through a boat.
It's very nice to communicate with other disciplines.
First kind of people that are here are the ideological people that really want to change something in the world. And they've been looking around for some time to come with answers, to get something done. And in fact they expect the answers from me now. They just want this week to be like all answers they've been looking for all of their lives. And the other kind of people are the people that are just kind of doing it for credits because it suits their masters or maybe because they've got some time left. And those people are now saying, whoa, is it that bad with this world and is it this complex and whoa, this is almost impossible to solve and there's so much going on that I have to do.
Being on a boat with a limited group of people always works well. It might be nice to have a couple of skeptic people in the room as well. You know, if you go in there and you challenge it and you can convince your fellow students that sustainable development is not the way to go forward, I think that's a very big achievement altogether. And obviously, you know, from a company point of view, we're always interested in good students. And the demand for people that have a good background, good knowledge of sustainable development is also increasing within companies, absolutely. Yeah.
I believe, it's my fixed belief that for the society of tomorrow, the engineer has to think of processes that are important in this society. And it's not the construction of an artifact, it's the implementing of the process. And that's the reason I think it is of prime importance to make sustainability part of the education of the engineer. Being a rector already for 7 years, it is amazing to see the strengths of what you call the boat week, and being invited here, having such a nice dinner, having such nice discussions, meeting some nice people. I mean, how can you fail as a rector when you are invited to the boatway?
Well, we try to organize different activities to motivate students to be sustainable. We try to make a network where we bring people together, where we organize information so that people actually are able to find the things that they need. And when they come with Osiris, at their website, they can actually find people that do stuff with sustainability, or they can find projects, activities. They can see that they can go to places where there's being discussions and debates on this. When people come here in this boat, they get a broader scope of what sustainability is, and they often start wondering what they can do. So what we do is we come and tell what Osiris does and what possibilities we can offer them to do stuff with sustainability. This is my third time here, and I've done the boat week myself as well, as in a full week, and I thought it was very inspiring. You get to see very many different aspects of sustainability, not just the main things that you always hear, like CO2 and energy problems, but you also get to see a lot of social aspects. For example, something you wouldn't expect is that a bank can do a lot with sustainability as well. And this is just very, it's an eye-opener. You often notice that your own view is limited, because you have your own expertise, maybe mechanical engineering, right? They know stuff about engines, but an industrial designer, they look at sustainability in a very different way. And this is what makes the boat very interesting, is that you have discussions with one another, that you can have discussions interfacultary, which make it interesting to go to and broaden your scope and think of what sustainability is for you.
My view of sustainable development is a kind of thinking. Growth is based on consumption, but nowadays it doesn't work. You consume a lot and waste even a lot. So sustainable is a way to growth, but in a right direction. Less consume and less waste.
I'm from the Philippines and I'm taking SPD. That's part of the industrial design faculty. It's helpful, it's fun, informative. For me, being a foreign student, the whole experience of being in the Netherlands is amazing in itself. I think whether you're foreign or I was speaking to some of the Dutch people here and they seem to like it as well. I think it's good for everyone.
Dear students, it's really my hope, my belief, that you all sign up for this course. And you know why? Because you will learn more than your books can teach you.